so today I'm doing a DIY that I've been dying to do for the longest time. For the last I think couple of months, all over my Instagram, I've just seen charmed sneakers and these cutesy shoe charms with pearl bows and so on and so forth. But they are really expensive and I haven't seen them anywhere else in India. So I thought, let's DIY them. So, ta-da! I've tried a bunch of things today. I'm going to show you guys. I've worked with ribbon, lace, pearls, made different shoe charms, and I'm very happy with the results. So yeah, let me show you how I did this. Okay, so here's what you're going to need. You can find all these items at your local craft store, DIY store. I've actually had a lot of these from my past DIYs as well, so I'm just repurposing some stuff. Now, basically, we're going to start with making one basic charm. These are the three things you're going to need: a hook, a little connector thingamajig, and the charm. You can also do this directly without the hook, but I just find the hooks are more convenient because you can take them off each sneaker and put them back on. The safety pins I'm going to play around with. I'm just showing you guys random stuff to see how I'm going to play around with it. I don't know yet. This is something I pulled off a bag. It's a charm that was attached to a bag. I'm just going to put on hooks onto this and then use this as a nice long charm. And then we're going to fix all the other charms. Let's begin. Okay, so first we're going to start with the first one. We're just going to put the loop through this like this and then put the hook in and use your jewelry pliers to secure this. Now you can also use tweezers, but jewelry pliers really help. I have these from previous DIYs, so I'm using them. That is how easy it is to make a charm, guys. Now this is already done. As I said, it's from another bag, but you could easily just attach this on the same way to a little chain or a broken chain, old chain, all of that, and do this, and ta-da! Hooks are on. It wasn't that magical when I did it. It took a while, but yeah, it's just really easy and it looks really cute. So we're just going to keep making some charms the same way. Use the ring, use the clasp, and secure it all with the pliers. And this way you can make a lot of charms and it's really affordable as well. So with the safety pins, I'm just going to wing it once I put them onto the shoe. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but let's see how it goes. But yeah, this is basically how you make all the charms before you prep your shoes. Now there are two ways of making the charms. As I said, you can just do the one with the ring, or you can do the one with the the hook. The hook is better because you can move it around from one shoe to the other easily without removing the laces and all of that, which is why I prefer the hook. But if you want to do the other one, you can do that too. Now coming to the pearl bows. Okay, so I've seen so many of these. Basically, you want to have pearls in different sizes, smaller, bigger. These are the new ones I bought. I have some lying around earlier also. So just first play around with the pearls to kind of figure out your bow size, how big you want it, all of those things bases your preferences. And then we're going to use the two big rings to kind of secure the pearls, okay? So first I'm just segregating all my pearls bases, different sizes and all of that. And then let's begin. We're going to take the thread. You just want to cut a nice long piece of the thread, tie a knot, and then start stringing with the main pearls that you're going to be using for your bow. I'm going to go with a small pearl and a big pearl in the middle. So I'm starting with the smaller, the medium-sized pearls. You just want to keep stringing till you kind of have that first loop size that you're happy with. As I said, there's no measurements or method to this. You can just keep checking as you go along and saying, okay, I'm happy with the size of the loop, or I want it bigger, or I want it smaller, and then adjust your pearls accordingly. Once you're happy with that, you basically want to take both the ends of the thread, just take it together. If you can undo the knot, great, undo it or just chop it off. And then basically you want to take both the sides through the big pearl and slide that in this way so it kind of secures that first loop that you've made. So to secure this further, you want to tie a knot, and then you want to also loop one side through this and take it out the other side. This way it's just going to secure that one loop and your bow is not going to come undone. And it's also easier to keep working this way because otherwise the pearls feel loose and keep moving. Now, I made a lot of bows and honestly, I felt like this is the most secure bow and the best way to kind of make the bow. This is the easiest one and the most secure one. So I would recommend doing this if you're a first time bow maker. And then we move on to the second loop. So you just want to take one of the threads and you want to string in some pearls. Basically, you want to match the number of pearls that you use in the first loop this way. and that is pretty much your bow. Again, what we're going to do with the thread is take it through the big pearl, pull it out on the other side and secure it like we did earlier. And basically this is what you're left with. Just you just have to do the ends, the dangly bits of the bow. So the top of the bow is already secure and ready. And now we're just going to put in as many pearls as we want for the bottom and finish it. So keep stringing, checking how long you want the dangly bits to be. Once you're good with one side, then you just tie a knot and kind of, end that bit and do the same on the other side. Now you just chop off the excess thread and ta-da, your bow is ready. How pretty is that, guys? Now we're just going to use the big rings on either side of the big pearl to kind of secure this, and the laces will go through this. You'll see when I, put them onto the shoes and understand better, but this is kind of how you secure the bow onto the shoe. So you want to make at least 2 of these because I feel like you want to put one on either shoe, and that's what I did. At least that's how I envisioned it, with, one on either shoe. You could also do one and then the charms on the other one, or mix it up, but this is what I'm going with. Now I made a bunch of different bows because I'm showing you guys many, different options with bows, different shoes, all of that. But of course, you can just make one and stop. I spent 2 hours doing this. It was very therapeutic and I was very happy with all my bows. Are you ready to see what I created? Okay, so these are all my charms and bows that I've made, and I'm going to work with multiple sneakers just so that you guys get an idea of what you can do with this and try different things with each one. Okay, let's go. So the first one, we have these high top sneakers which are already quite busy and have a lot going on. So I thought it would be nice to just do like safety pins and charms with this one. So we're not messing with the laces because they're already nice chunky laces. So we're just going to clip on some charms. So this is the difference between the two charms. You can see how that one slides through the laces and these are just hooked on. With the safety pins, I am putting one in on the side with some butterfly pearls, and one I'm just going to put in just as a safety pin because you guys know I'm obsessed with safety pins. And yeah, I quite like these. What do you guys think? Up next, we have my sambas. Now these, I kind of imagine them with the pearls. I honestly think I'm going to do 2 maybe, like one smaller pearl and one bigger pearl bow. I would do all 3, but I think I need to save the middle ones for something else. So let's begin. We want to unlace the shoe, slide in the first pearl bow right at the bottom, which is the smaller bow. And then you want to lace the same way till you reach the, the top. And then we're going to put in the second bow. It's that simple, guys. And look at what a difference it makes. Time for some magic. Ta-da! Look at how beautiful these look, guys. I love them. Up next, we're working with my beautiful plain white Converse shoes. We're just going to unlace these, get rid of the laces, and we're going to replace the laces with this beautiful organza ribbon. So it's a nice thick ribbon. You want to just cut it for size, use the laces and kind of measure and, cut approximately. We're going to use the same plastic thread as a needle. So you just want to take it this way, put the ribbon in between, and then just keep pulling it through with the thread this way. You can also use your tweezers to pull it through. If you're using the ribbon method, make sure you get a shoe with like bigger holes like this. You can see it's much bigger than the earlier shoes, but it looks spectacular when you finished. And in terms of accessories, I'm just using my safety pins and these other pearl bows here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the bow through the pin and use the pin to secure it on the ribbon to kind of make it like a girly meets edgy vibe. You know what I mean? Now, coming to my new favorite shoes, my birthday shoes, my green sambas. Now, these came with 2 laces, the cream laces and the green laces. And I've been dying to try the half and half trend with this. So I've seen a lot of these where you lace half the shoe in one color and the other half in the other color. So what we're going to do is just unlace half the part and then put in the cream laces, and ta-da! How cool does that look? You can just do that, or you can also add charms. I'm going to add my charms, obviously, because I feel like it just adds to all the drama going on, like it's cool. It's a nice mix of gold and silver charms and I love it. Now with these, my old Onitsukas, I just thought I'd elevate them with using the lace as a lace. We're just going to lace it the same way with, the plastic thread and then add some charms. I think these look really cool. What do you guys think? Okay, are you ready to see me wearing them? Let's go. So guys, I hope you liked the DIY. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and comment below with which style was your favorite. I think these two are my favorites. Like I like the pearl bow and I love these. What do you guys think? See you guys. Bye.